Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you another PowerToys tool. It's called Text Extractor. It's under System Tools. It's also a new tool. What it will do is it says Text Extractor is a convenient way to copy text from anywhere on screen. Okay, anywhere. Okay, so just check it out. The shortcut key here is Windows Shift T, and if this is off you just on. And also Text Extractor can only recognize languages that have the OCR pack installed. Okay, for this language which OCR pack installed to your computer, you can use to extract this text. Okay, also you can check which OCR pack installed by clicking here and running a PowerShell command. Okay, you can see by running this command in PowerShell you can check which OCR packs is installed in your PC. Okay, so just close it here. Okay, so how can we use it? Okay, let's check this out. Let's say I have an image here. You can see this is an image. Okay, so what I will do first, I will trigger my shortcut. You see it's enabled. Now what I will do, I will select this text. That's it. Now if I go to a text editor, I just paste here. You see all the things is available here. Okay, so it works that smartly. You can see all the text is available here with no jargon, no mistakes, anything. It's very much useful, like some boring task or some urgent task you have to copy from an image. You can do this by using this very useful tool. Okay, you don't have to use any third-party application you have to install, or you don't have to upload your documents to cloud to use any cloud application, SaaS application to extract your text from image. Okay, you can learn more about, and the attribution is based on Joseph Finis text grab. Okay, so I think this little application can be very helpful to you day-to-day life. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.